One upgrade made 400 million working computers obsolete overnight. We found a way to revive them. Hi, I'm Luis from Back Market's Innovation Lab. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to turn an old laptop into a fast, secure laptop using ChromeOS Flex. Because last year, 400 million working computers were turned obsolete overnight. But most of them didn't need to be. At Back Market, we spent years fighting e-waste. Today, we're partnering with Google to make device revival simple, accessible, and safe. So here's what we built. We've created a ready-to-use ChromeOS Flex installation kit. It includes a pre-configured USB key and a simple step-by-step guide. You plug it in, follow the instructions, and your laptop gets a fresh, secure operating system. The kit is available on Back Market for $3. ChromeOS Flex itself is free. What you're paying for is a 16GB USB key with setup instructions and guidance. ChromeOS Flex may be a good fit for you if your laptop still turns on, you mainly browse the web, and you want something simple, secure, and updated. It might not be the right solution for you if you rely heavily on advanced offline software or if your device is not compatible. Before anything else, check if your device is compatible. You can find the link in the description of this video. ChromeOS Flex is free online. Anyone can install it manually, but the DIY process requires downloading the OS, preparing and formatting the USB, and navigating technical steps. With this kit, the USB is ready to use, and you get step-by-step guidance to help you along the way. No formatting, no complex setup, just plug in and follow the instructions. To install, first back up your data. The installation will replace your current operating system. Then insert the USB key, restart your laptop, and boot from the USB, and follow the on-screen instructions from there. Will you lose your data? Well, only if you install without backing up. Remember to always back up your files first. Is it officially supported? Yes. ChromeOS Flex is developed and maintained by Google. Can you change your mind later? Yes, you can reinstall any operating system if you choose to. It's your computer. ChromeOS Flex is cloud first. You get fast boot times and automatic updates, built-in security, seamless browsing and Google Apps, and a clean, simple interface. It's designed for everyday reliability. This isn't about replacing your laptop. It's about extending its life. Device revival doesn't have to be complicated. It can be clear, supported, and accessible. Check compatibility below and decide if your laptop is ready for a second life.